Ah.
Kiki.
Kikiya. Car.
Car.
Ah, very good. Sorry, 1 minute. Next is Riyashri.
Dinosaur.
Riyashri.
Dinosaur.
D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur.
D for
Okay, next is Sarah.
Elephant.
Sarah.
Elephant.
E for
Elephant.
elephant. Phonic sound kana elephant. Sarah. E for
Elephant.
very good, Sarah. Next is F. Nimalan. Nimalan.
Capital small.
Ah. What picture is it? Fish. Fish. Machli picture. This is not Hindi class, okay? Next letter is Ilango. Ilango.
Guitar.
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 Guitar. Very good. Next is Srinija. Srinija. Do the action also, children. Phonic action. Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Helicopter.
What is the sound for action for H? What is the phonic action? Very good, Kana. Thank you. Next is Kevin. Kevin. Don't look at your dad. என்ன சொல்லுங்க கெவின்? என்ன லெட்டர் இது கெவின்? Tilakar, mute yourself. What letter is this, Kevin? என்ன லெட்டர் இது? ஜேவா? என்ன லெட்டர்? என்ன ஆல்பபெட் அது? I. I sound E. Igloo. What is the phonic action for E? Igloo. Come on, everyone. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. What is the action for I? Inky the mouse is my pet. Children, everyone do the action and show me. E. Very good, Ilango. Very good, Srinija. Good. The next one. Adya. Yeah, very good. J है. Come on, बोलो. J for?
J for ये क्या?
Jellyfish.
Wow, Adya. J phonic action. J. Phonic action. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Come on. J.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. This is not jelly and jam, huh?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Oh, okay, thank you, Madhya. Next is Tilakar. Kite. Very good. Phonic action. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Okay, very good. Next is whom shall I ask? Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Alphabet.
Nakshatra.
அங்க பார்த்தது alphabet.
What? Look at the screen. Without looking at the screen, how will you know the alphabet? What alphabet is this?
Alphabet.
Lick lollipops. What alphabet is that? Hmm?
அப்பதான் அங்க பார்த்தது.
Look at the screen and identify the alphabet first. என்ன alphabet மாது? Nakshatra, come on. Ma'am, star ice cream கொடுப்பேன் உங்களுக்கு. Come on.
அது என்ன alphabet சொல்லு.
என்ன ஆல்பபெட் சொல்லுங்க. ஏவா? அப்புறம் எம்மா? அப்புறம் என்னது தெரியலையா? எல். எல். எல் ஃபார் லீஃப். We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. Very good. Nimalan. Nimalan.
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good, Nimalan. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Next, who's going to say this? Sarah. Sarah.
அங்க பாரு.
Sarah.
What is that?
What is this? Yeah, capital N, small n. And what is the phonic action for N? N for nail. Phonic action.
Phonic action.
Here the aeroplane. How will you do the action? Very good, Riyasri.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Shravanya. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Ma Kadambari. What letter is this, Kadambari?
Oh,
O. O for
octopus.
octopus. Very good. What is the phonic action for O?
We like a clean.
Clicking castanets. No. It's a duck. The lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed. The lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Very good. Action is correct. That song also you should be very clear. Thank you, Rakana Kadambari. Okay, next is Mokshita is there. Mokshita is there. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Pumpkin.
P for
P for pumpkin.
pumpkin. Pumpkin. What is the phonic action for pumpkin?
Phonic action சொல்லுங்க.
Phonic action for pumpkin. Everyone do the phonic action for pumpkin. What is the phonic action? Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Nakshatra. Puff, puff, puff. Listen, Nakshatra. Then how will you learn if you are playing? Okay, next is Yukta.
Ma'am,
Yukta.
no, quick.
Q, you don't have the phonic action for Q, but the phonic sound is qua. Qua, qua, queen. Okay, qua, qua, queen. Ilango. Ilango.
சொல்லு.
R for rain.
Rain. What is the phonic action? Phonic action. See my dog, he ripped the rag. See my dog, he ripped the rag when he pulled so hard. R. Okay. Thank you, Mailango. Next is Yukta. Yukta.
Capital S, small s.
Mm.
Sun.
S for sun. What is the phonic action for S? Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Okay, very good. Next is, who will say this? Srinija. Srinija. What is it?
Turtle.
Turtle. What letter is that?
T.
T. Capital T, small t. What is the phonic action for T? What is the phonic action for T?
Say. You know that?
Mm-mm.
T, t, t. When I watch the tennis game, t, 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 t. How will you play tennis?
How will you play?
How will you play tennis, Srinija? How will you play tennis with the bat? Tennis bat, yeah. When I watch the tennis play, t, 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 t. Like that, okay? Next is, who knows this? Sarah.
Small U. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good, Adya. Okay, now phonic action. What is the phonic action for umbrella?
Sarah.
No.
Ma'am is asking for phonics action.
What is the phonic action for you? Very good, Nimalan. Good. Only Nimalan is doing the action properly. Uh, up go umbrellas. How will you open an umbrella? How will you open an umbrella, children? Everyone is having umbrella in your home. Come on, go bring one umbrella. Open it. Then only you will know how to open an umbrella. Come on, bring an umbrella, everyone. And see how it is opening upside, right? Upwards. Open and see. Umbrella. And now open it. Try to open it, Nakshatra. Be careful. How will you open it? Yeah, that is the way you should open. And how will you close it? Yeah, very good, Kadambari. Now it's going like this, right? Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Yes?
Here, Mama.
Upwards. You have to open it upwards like this. Up. Yeah, very good, Yukta. That is the action for you. Okay, up go umbrellas. Very good. Thank you, children. Keep your umbrellas aside. Next is, what letter is this? Shravanya. What letter is it? Shravanya. What letter is this?
See,
If you don't know, you have to say, I don't know, ma'am. What is it?
what is this? What is this?
Lava.
Lava. From where it is coming?
Volcano.
Yeah. What letter is it, ma?
B.
V.
V. What is the phonic action for V? Everyone do it. V. How will you drive a van? How will you drive a van? How will you catch the steering and drive a van? Yeah, very good. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Ooh, all of you drive a van. Let me see. Catch the steering and then drive a van. Very good. Well done. And then W. Riyashree.
என்னது இது?
Riyashree.
சொல்லு
What?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
W for watch. What is the phonic action for W?
Phonic
Very
action
good.
பண்ணுடா.
Phonic action என்னது W க்கு? Anyone knows the phonic action for W? Who knows? No one knows, huh? I see the clouds moving. Wow, wow, wow. Very good, Sara, Yukta. Nimalan. Yeah, watch only. Very good. Very good, ma. Pranavi and Pravina. Good. Mute yourself. Yeah, W for watch. Yeah, mute yourself. I see the clouds. Mute yourself, ma. I see the clouds moving. Wow, wow, wow. I see the kites flying. Wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending. Look at your friends and do the action, children. See how your friends are doing. Wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending. Wow, wow, wow. The wind is blowing strong. Wow, wow, wow. Okay? X. What is the phonic action? Everyone do it. X. Very good, Yukta. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Xylophone.
Hmm.
Ma'am, xylophone, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Thank you. Next. Adarsh. Adarsh. Hmm? What letter is it? Y.
Why?
All of you mute yourself. Y.
Why?
Y for yo-yo.
Why say you?
Y for yo-yo.
Why say you?
Y for yo-yo.
Why say you?
Okay, children. What is the phonic action for Y, children? Everyone. What is the phonic action for Y? I like to eat. Eat. How will you eat? Yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, and finally, this is Z. Z for zip, and the phonic sound is Z. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? Buzzing like this. Yeah, zip ma, mute yourself, Pranavi and Pravina. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children.
Hey,
Close your
why I do it?
close your eyes.
All of you close your eyes, join your hands.
Hey, video all over.
Eyes. Close your eyes.
Ready? Shravanya, repeat after ma'am today. Come on. Unmute yourself, Shravanya.
Say.
It's the anthem.
We are dumb.
You are within me.
On with me.
You are infinite.
Yes, it is on with the night.
You are infinite.
It's on with the night.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My potential sight.
You are the wind
You are the wind.
beneath my flight.
We need my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential sight.
Today I pledge
Today I bled
with all my might.
all my mind.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve
My potential inside.
my potential sight.
Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Don't sit down. Be ready for the warm up activity. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, children. Very good morning. Come on, all of you stand up for the warm up activity. Mute yourself.
What's going on? Breaking.
Yes, now all of you go drink water and come back.
Okay, if you are not interested, it's okay.
Everyone, please mute yourself.
What's the time I say that? My name is Sarah.
Here I am, Bella, okay?
Here I am, here I am, here I am, here I am.
Yeah, very good, Adya. Next.
Papa.
Here I am, Sulu Ilango.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Next. Next. Very good, Manakshatra. Next. Here I am. Very good. Very good, Manitish. Next. Kevin. Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Next.
Here I am, little ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Next. Who's this? Absent today, this girl. Very good, Sarah. Next. Next. Pranavi and Pravina, what are you doing? Pranavi. Pranavi is not there, huh? Okay, next, Pravina. I can see what are you doing in the screen. Pravina. Yeah, very good, Pravina. Next. Srinija. Srinija.
Yes. Here I am, little ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma Srinija. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Tilakar. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Next. Who's this? Kadambari? Okay, ma, I'll call you. Mute yourself. Next. Very good, Kadambari. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Next. Mokshita. Mokshita. Oh, what? Next.
Here I am.
Yeah, very good, Manimalan. Next. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Thank you, children. Yes, next is our rhymes. Ready? Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, you love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hug and give you kisses when we meet. Yes, did you all learn the rhyme? Mommy, daddy rhyme, did you all learn it?
Sister,
Who is going to
brother,
sing?
sister, let's all play. Sing
Hmm.
and dance, look friends all to the day.
Hmm.
I go after I will kisses when we play.
Very good, Kadambari. Children, when your friend is singing, you should not interrupt in between. நடுவில் உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டு பாடும்போது nobody should disturb. Okay, you all will get chance every day. Okay?
To
Yeah,
the
Yukta.
eye, look color. To the sun. One little know the very mind. One little more the time to eat.
Wow, that time also you memorized. Very good. Thank you, Kadambari. Very good, Kadambari. Okay?
This is my laptop.
Next. Yeah, Yukta,
So
come on.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Very good.
I love you. You
Hmm.
love me too. Me too.
Care for me too. Ah.
Sister.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sing and dance, laugh and dance all through the day. Grandpa, you. Mommy, daddy, I love you.
You're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Okay. Next, who is singing? Adya is singing. Ah.
இளங்கோ
So sweet.
பாடு நீ பாடு Sing பண்றேன்.
Very good, Adya Sharma. But very low voice. Very good. Well done. Very good. Children, clap hands for Adya. Everyone, come on, encourage your friend Adya. Clap hands for her. Louder. All of you, loudly clap hands for Adya. Okay. Next, who's going to sing? Who's gonna sing? Ilango?
இளங்கோ மேம் இளங்கோ
Hmm.
பாடுங்க மம்மி டாடி கம் ஆன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க
Mommy, daddy, I love you. Do I love you? Do you care for me? Do brother, sister, let's go play. Sing and dance in a bar
all through the day
all through the day.
கிராண்ட்மா பாடு
Grandpa,
You're so sweet.
சரி சரி பாடு பாடு
Grandma, you so sweet. You are innocent. Okay.
Give you hug and give you kisses when we meet.
Again,
When we meet. Okay? Very good. Well done. Okay, children. Now the next time we are going to sing two little eyes to look around, two little ears to hear the sound, one little nose to smell what's sweet, one little mouth that likes to eat. Two little eyes to look around, two little ears to hear the sound, one little nose to smell what's sweet, one little mouth that likes to eat. Yes, very good. Today another rhyme ma'am is going to teach you. That is the five senses rhyme. It is given in your rhymes book also. You can refer to it. Okay, I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have two ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay, one more time. I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have two ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay? Now, children, all of you fetch your calendar. How many of you colored date 10 and 11? Saturday and Sunday. How many of you colored it? Let me see. Bring your calendars, everyone. Bring your calendar. 10 and 11. Saturday and Sunday, no one colored, ah? Why? Daily date you have to color, no? You all forgot, ah? Okay, today we'll color 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Here, see here, 1 to 12. And the day is Monday. Come on. 1 to 12. And the day is Monday. Where is 12? All of you point out where is 12. 1 to 12. One to 12. Very good, Riya Sri finish. Srinija finish. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Point out the numbers from 1 to 10 children. Ma'am is going to tell you the numbers. You are going to point it out one by one with your pointer finger, all of you. Show me your pointer finger, all of you. Yeah, from number 1. Point out from number 1. 1. Where is 1, everyone? 1, 2. Nakshatra, do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Yes? Finish. Now take your math notebook, everyone. Take your math notebook. Parents, I want you to draw a big balloon to them, and inside that balloon, please write numbers from 1 to 10. A big balloon. And inside that, assortedly, you write the numbers from 1 to 10. Like this. Write today's date also. Today's date is 12-7-2121. The same instruction, parents, please note down whether they are able to identify the numbers. In case if they are not able to identify, please let me know that which number they are not able to identify. A big balloon. Children, take a pencil in your hand. Let your parents draw. Take pencils in your hand. Sarah, you're not supposed to do anything. Wait.
Ma'am,
Finish. Yes.
ma'am, who has to write the numbers, ma'am?
Yeah, you can write and give them.
Okay, fine.
Assortedly, you just write and give them. They are
Fine.
going to circle. That's it.
Oh,
Otherwise, it will take a lot of time.
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Parents, shuffle and write the numbers because they are going to identify and circle the numbers what I am telling them. Yeah, very good, Ma. Kadambari, good. Finish. Yeah, I'm going to come back, children. Yeah, ready, everyone? Take your pencil in your hand. First number is 5. Circle number 5. Circle number 5. Parents, please don't teach them or please don't show them idan number circle pannu. Please don't help them. Let them identify you. Please note it down whether they are circling the correct number. If it is wrong in one corner, you please note down the number which they are circling it wrongly. Let me see all your notebooks. Please, can you please focus your camera on that, parents? Sarah's mom, thank you, Sarah's mom. Adya also I can see. Focus. Yeah, just tilt your camera. That's enough. You need not lift that book and show it to me. Then only I can see who is circling correctly. Yeah, good. Okay, now the next number is 3. 3. Adya, 3 circle karo. 3. Good, Adya. Nimalan. Good. Next number is 7. Yeah, very good, Nimalan. 7. 7.
Ma'am, ask Adya where is 7.
Adya, where is 7?
This
Where is 7? Show me.
This one.
एक सारे तो 7 नहीं. अच्छा.
Only one number 7.
Oh, I want 4 circle.
7. What is that 7? I can't see.
This one is 7, but she has done when you
Wrongly.
said
Just note it down.
when
Note
you
it
said-
down in one corner. Yeah.
Nah.
See, if you are not circling correctly, then you will not get 5 stars, children. Okay, circle it correctly. Adya, ठीक से circle करो. तो stars नहीं मिलेगी. Okay.
So,
दोबारा सर्कल कर दो. अगर ये 7 है तो दोबारा सर्कल कर दो. This is 7, circle it again.
what's in the papa?
Next is 9. 9. Ilango, can you please show me your notebook? Not able to see his notebook. 9. Circle பண்ணுமா இளங்கோ. 9 எங்க இருக்கு? Search. Children கரெக்டா பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் இன்னைக்கு 5 stars கிடைக்கும். இல்லைன்னா ஸ்டார் கிடையாது. Circle da. Can't see இளங்கோ. Good ma Yukta. Very good, Kadambari. Srinija, I'm not able to see Srinija's notebook. Can you show me your notebook, Srinija? Yeah, very good. Shravanya, good. Ilango, show me your notebook, Ilango. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ma'am, for Srinija, I'm observing. If she's going wrong, I'll inform you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. 9 தான் பண்ணிருக்கானா Elango's mom. I can see only 7. I can't see 9 number in that. Down.
Can you see right?
Where is 9? Yeah, I can see. Fine.
Okay.
Very good. Now the next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3.
3 is already done.
3 is already done now.
Already 3 is run.
Okay, I'll note it down.
Yes,
Next number is 2. 2. 2. 1, 2.
Ma'am, Nitish done, ma'am.
Very good. Next number is 8. 8. 8. Where is 8? Circle number 8.
Srinija is
8.
done.
Very good. Riyashree is doing correctly. 8. Very good, Kadambari. Next number is 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Pranavi, Pravina, correcta பண்றீங்களா ரெண்டு பேரும்? Are you doing it correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Shravanya, are you able to identify the numbers? Very good, ma, Nitish. Shravanya. Nakshatra, are you able to identify the numbers, Nakshatra?
Ma'am, she didn't identify number 9.
Number 9 alone, 10, 1, 0, 10.
She have identified.
Okay. Write that specific number in one corner. Yeah, ma, 1 minute. Next number is 6. 6. Circle 6. Yes. Okay, ma, Tilakar. Okay, ma, I know you know all the numbers. I know that.
Ma'am, Nitish done, ma'am.
Very good, Nitish. 6 பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, very good. Next number is 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Very good. Well done, very good.
Ma'am, is Nimilan notebook visible, ma'am?
And that's what it's very, I can see only a blurry image. I'm not able to see his notebook. Just lift his notebook and show me. Yeah, now I can see. Done, na? 4. Good. Good morning, Malan. And what number we didn't circle? Come on, find out. Which number we didn't circle? Which number we didn't circle? 1. Very good. Well done. 1. Now circle number 1. Yeah, very good, ma. 1. Okay. Very good. Those who are done all the numbers correctly get 5 stars from your parents. Okay, get 5 stars. Come on. In your notebook itself, get 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yes, Tilakar. Okay, after we finish, we are going to play a game. Okay, come on, finish it. And then stand up, all of you. We are going to play Simon Says. Come on, those are finished. Your parents will give you stars. Good.
3 were wrong.
3 were wrong. Then give her
She
only
had
3 stars.
confusion.
What
She has
number she made?
confusion.
What number she didn't identify?
6, 8, and 5.
6, 8, and 5. Okay. Adya, very playful. Actually, you are able to identify. I know that. That's why you didn't do it. 3 stars. Okay? Come on, get 3 stars from your mama. All of you stand up.
I finished.
What, ma?
I finished.
Very good, Yukta. Got 5 stars, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Well done.
I got 5-star, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambari.
Everything, ma'am.
What, ma?
I finished every numbers, ma'am.
You finish every numbers. So sweet of you, Yukta. Very good girl. Okay, children. Now stand up, all of you. Shall we play Simon Says? If they have made 1 mistake, just give them 4 stars. They have made 2 mistakes or 3 mistakes, just give them 3 stars. No 5 stars for those who have made mistakes. Daily, what did I tell you, children? I told you to look at the calendar and wrote count the numbers, right? Why you all didn't do? That's why you are not able to identify the numbers. Regularly, you have to look at the calendar and identify. Amma, this is this number. Daddy, this is this number. You have to identify and tell them, right? You have to regularly do it. Okay, children? Okay, now stand up. Simon says, very good, ma Kevin. You can keep your note down. Very good. Stand up, all of you. Nakshatra stand. Nimalan stand. Tilakar stand. Stand, all of you. Face the camera. Don't show your back to me. Face the camera. Come on. Show me your faces. Smile, all of you. Happy face. Sad face. Very sad. Now, angry face. Very, very angry with everyone. Angry. And now, fear face. Oh, fear face. Very scared. Oh. Very good. Now let's play Simon Says, okay? Simon says, touch your head. Touch your head. Simon says, touch your head. All of you should do. No one should be there. I must not see anyone without doing the action. Come on, Nakshatra. Simon says, touch your head. Very good. Now Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good. Next, Simon says, touch your ears. Where is your ears? Yeah, good. Simon says, touch your mouth. Okay, well done. Now Simon says, touch your neck. Neck. Where is your neck? Simon says, touch your neck. Now Simon says, touch your hands. Simon says, touch your hands. Now Simon says, touch your stomach. Where is your stomach? Where is your stomach? When you are hungry, how will you say, Mommy, I am very hungry? You will touch your stomach and say, Amma, romba pasikide, bhook lagi hai. You will say like this, no, touch your stomach. Okay. Now Simon says, touch your legs. Touch your legs. Legs, all of you, legs, legs. Where is your legs? Bend and touch your legs. Bend and touch your legs. Okay, now ma'am is going to show you. I'm going to stand and show you, okay? Now Simon says, touch your knees. Knees. Touch your knees. Knees. This is your knees. Simon says, touch your hip. Hip. Shake your hip. Where is your hip? This is your hip. Touch your hip, all of you. Now Simon says, touch your shoulders. 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 Now shall we sing me a rhyme. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now one more time. Simon says, touch your stomach. Stomach, where is your stomach? This is your stomach. Okay, touch your neck. Where is your neck, all of you? Neck, neck, neck. Neck. This is your neck. Okay, now touch your hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, where is your hip? All of you touch your hip. Where is your hip? Okay, now touch your knees. Knees, knees, knees. Where is your knees? This is your knees. And you lift your leg. This is your knees. Very good. Well done. All of you sit down. Sit down, all of you. Sit down. Take your slate, everyone. Take your slate. Today we are going to learn small letter A. We are going to learn small letter A. Take your slate, everyone. Parents, I want you to write a big small letter A. You write and give them a big small letter A. This much big it should be. Okay, parents. Now, what you are going to do, children, take your pointer finger, everyone. Show me a pointer finger, everyone. Pointer finger cutting, ellarum. Where is your pointer finger? Sarah, where is pointer finger? Where is Sarah's pointer finger? Mummy finger. This is your mummy finger, right? Come on, take your finger. Go like this. A curve. Go up. Come down in the same line. Okay, இங்க மேல போகும்போது இதே லைன்ல கீழ வரணும். That is A. Okay, a curve. Go up, come in the same line and a small curve. That is A. Let me see everyone. Come on, do it near the camera. Let me see you're doing in the same way. See, children, you should not just put a C and put a standing line like this. That is wrong. In future, while you're writing cursive letters, it will not be useful for you. So now itself, you learn the perfect way. A curve, go up, come down in the same line. அதே லைன்ல கீழ இறங்கணும். Okay? Parents, you can guide them by holding their hands. You want to write in the chalk piece? Wait, children, I'll tell you. First, you do it with your pointer finger. You have to know the route how to write. You have to know the way how to start a letter, and then only you can proceed writing with your slate or pencil or chalk piece, whatever it is. Like this, go up and come down. At least for 5 times you have to write with your pointer finger, children. Yeah, very good, Madhya. No, Adya, no circle. Circle mat karo. Curve, go up. Stop here and then come down like this. Those are finished for 5 times. Now you can take your chalk piece and now you trace A. Now you can trace A again. See here a curve. Go up, come down. A curve. Go up. Don't take your hand out. Kai edukama eludunum. And then come down like this.
Ma'am, is it correct, ma'am?
How did you write? Let me see how you are writing one more time. Can you please write, Yukta?
Right, and show, ma'am.
Yes, ma, Tilakar. Take your slate and write small letter A. You don't know? You have to learn. Come on, that's what I'm teaching you. Take your slate, put a curve first. Go up, come down.
Okay.
Ma'am, Srinija wrote it.
Very good. Well done, Yukta, Srinija, Sara. Why Sara is writing numbers?
Mommy.
Good morning, Nitish. Now separately you write, children. Now you write a curve, go up and come down like this. You yourself write separately. Let me see. Nimalan, don't just draw a circle, Nimalan. Ah, that's it. Very good, ma Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, Pravina. Pranavi. Very good, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Well done. Tilakar, one more time you write Tilakar. Yeah, welcome, children. Pranavi and Pravina, did I tell you to leave? No, bye. Stop it. Did I say bye to anyone? Tilakar, did I tell bye to you? Why do you always say bye in class before me? If you have finished, you should say, I have finished, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Unless I say bye, no one should say bye hereafter in the class. Bye, Sonana, Pranavi, Pravina. Look at me, both of you. என்ன பாருங்க ரெண்டு பேரும். ஏன் பாய் சொன்னீங்க? மேம் பாய் சொன்னேனா? மேம் பாய் சொல்லவே இல்லையே. மேம் சொன்னா மட்டும்தான் பாய் சொல்லணும். ஓகே? யா, ஓகே. Good children. Very good, Sara. Very good. All of you are able to write. Now turn your slate and one more time let me see how you are all writing. A curve, go up and come down. A. Once you finish it, take your worksheet, children. D06LT. D06LT.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good. Take your worksheet, ma. Write today's date, children, in your worksheet D06LT. Write today's date. Today's date is 1/2/12. 7/2021. Write today's date. Here you have A for alligator. The same way you have to trace here from 1. From 1 you will be here. You have number 1, children. You see here, number 1 is here. So from here you have to draw a curve.
On my
Go
page
up.
number, ma'am.
D06LT and then come down in the same line. That's it. And then here below you have 5 blanks here to write. That also you write. A curve, go up, come down. A. Without taking your hand, you should write. கையே எடுக்காம எழுதணும்.
Ouch! Ouch! No person.
Ma'am, for Srinija, we don't have any tracing part in this page, ma'am.
Okay, next page you will have. You can continue with that page.
Okay, ma'am.
Next to this page itself, you will have another A page. Do you have this page, Srinija's mom? D06LT.
Yes, ma'am, I have that.
This you can continue. Actually, this is homework. Parents, please note down. Those who have 5 blanks here, you can finish it here. And the rest of the letters, this one. Only the tracing part you can write. Capital A and small a. This is today's homework. Please insist your child to write. Many of you didn't send that 1 to 10 drawing beads activity. Yes, that also you have to send it. Parents, make sure your child is doing the homework regularly because we don't have enough writing practice at home. Since it is online session, we are not having enough practice. If it is a physical class means we'll give them practice at school whenever we get time. Since it is online class, they lack those practice. So at least homework you ask your child to do. Please be sure that you are posting their homework regularly. If you are not posting your classwork, it's fine, well and good. But definitely I need your homeworks because homework tracks is being kept. So please send your homework. Parents, please note down this is today's notebook. Homework D06LT. This page. This is your homework today. A. Small letter A. A. And so my arm. A. And so my arm. A. And so my arm, they are causing me alarm. Alligator. Alligator. Finish. Need not do the homework sheet now. Only that alligator sheet if you do, fine, good.